don't show any characteristics of decomposition. They don't seem to be affected by the decomposition process. So the hairs that we do here,
is that because presumably they're shared?
I think I need to move that thing up. You going crazy? Go crazy, bud. Go crazy.
Nobody knows what exactly causes the keratin is hardened in these hairs. It's not as vulnerable to the mechanism that creates the appearance.
Go crazy.
So the only hairs that we tend to see any characteristic of decomposition are hairs that are seen all where the keratin is.
There you go, brother. Tear it up. Tear it up. There you go. You showing off for the camera? Go crazy.